Hi, I'm Harshawn from Hang 5. This is our game Big Wave Beach. It's an endless runner, kind of like the game Jetpack Joyride, where you're surfing on this beach to stop this real estate company from destroying the beach. So it's played with one button, and you hold that down to move your board down, and you let go to move it up, sort of simulating what it's like to hold an object underwater. And it's a lot of fun. We have a bunch of different enemy types. And as you progress through the game, both in our story mode and our endless mode, you'll unlock more obstacles and difficult patterns. We're using those obstacles that scale with the higher your score goes. It's a lot of fun. I encourage you all to try it out. If you come to our booth here at Gamescom, we have leis and candy that you can wear, so you can look like you're chilling out, relaxing at the beach. And it's a fun game to de-stress and relax while playing until it gets very difficult, and then you'll kind of freak out a little bit.
So if people are interested, can they wishlist it, or is it out now?
Oh, we have a Discord server. It's going to be on Steam very soon. So if you join the Hang 5 Discord server, I will ping you all when the Steam page is up.
Awesome. How big is your team?
It's 4 of us. So we have 2 programmers, an artist, and I'm the writer and lead designer of the game.
And what are you building the game in?
Pardon?
What are you building the game in Unity? Or?
Yeah, we're building the game in Unity. This game was originally made for a U of A course for the game development certificate. So we started developing it in January of this year. And we got accepted into this program called the Trailhead program, where they showcase student-made games at events like Gamescom Canada here. So we don't have a press kit or anything like that. It's our first game we've made as a studio, but we do have updates coming soon for it, and we hope you all enjoy it if you try it out. And it's going to be on mobile platforms as well. That's our big platform, is mobile platforms. That's what we're aiming for.
Perfect.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Let me just get some. He says you don't have a press kit. I'm just going to film this for a second.
Sure. Thank you.